Doorr essentially is a digital mortgage platform. In simple terms, we're reinventing the home buying experience. The company is about a year old right now. One of the other co-founders, Mohammed, for his side hustle for the last several years, he's been a mortgage agent. It's a lucrative business for him, so he can make a lot of money. He saw an uptick in his volume, and he needed a platform to be able to facilitate all those transactions. So he came to me and Abbas asking if there's something we could build for him. We thought there might be a business idea. This was about a year and a half ago. So we put up some mock-ups on Instagram, and as surprising may sound, within a week we had about 100 signups. So we thought there's a business idea there. That's when we went full-time into it, building out the platform. As you've seen in a lot of industries, Amazon disrupting the e-commerce space, Flip disrupting the retailer space. The mortgage industry has not been disrupted and has lacked innovation for decades. So when we came in with a tech-minded focus first to build it from the ground up, bringing all our technical expertise, because there's not much done in this space. For me, security was number one, but we had to make sure the way I was building it and which platform I was using provided as much compliance as we could and as secure data as much as possible. We also deal with some of the largest financial institutions in the world that we integrate with, so they had to make sure that we are secure and compliant as well. That was also the reason we went with AWS. Being able to iterate and deploy with a minimal worry about the infrastructure allowed us to move so fast. Even compared to the competition, we're able to, like I said, deploy many times a week. Feature requests come in, sometimes they go out as fast as 30 minutes. Our area of expertise is the mortgage space itself, but a mortgage transaction is a small piece of the whole home buying experience, which is our target. So we start with the mortgage transaction, but your client interacts with the mortgage agent, but in parallel, they interact with the realtors, solicitors, appraisers. All that communication is done offline, emails, phones, some people even fax. We want to bring that into one platform so the client logs in once and interacts with all the parties in one location, cutting down the time and the cost of a transaction. It's giving our clients the satisfaction they need.